What's going on? Got an easy install today in the TJ. Extra storage solution above the radio and a bullet point mount that's going to go in the extra storage, if you will. Should be a pretty easy install. Nice, quick, clean. Supposed to get a storm tomorrow, so I'm in the garage. Ignore all the stuff I have stuffed in here to avoid the weather. All right. 9706 TJ Wrangler. Upper dash panel goes right above the radio. Alert, California residents. I don't know. Guess this stuff is harmful to you guys. Alright, here it is. That's really all there is to it. Super simple. Made by Daystar. Two self-tapping screws. Some instructions. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. You screw it in. Let's do it. Alright, so in addition, I've got a Bulletpoint Mounting Solution 4-hole plate compatible with a 20mm ball, which is this, which I just screwed in. I got to tighten these down. This thing is pretty sweet. I'm just going to end up setting it right in the top of this once I mount it. Screwed in there. And then additionally, I bought the Diablo M6, which is this bad boy. And it comes with these doodah that basically attach to the balls. And then I also got the magnetic mounting solution for your phone. So this will go on the other end and snap right on. Pretty simple. So Bulletpoint gives you 3 different mounting options. First one is simply self-tapping screws. They'll go in the 4 corners of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next option they give you is well nuts, which is pretty cool. Same 4 nuts that go in the same spot. Basically, they even provide you the correct size drill bit to install it and drop the well nut in and then mount. The next one is nuts and bolts, and this one requires you to obviously pull out the dash panel or whatever, and again they provide you with the drill bit you need, drill it out, and then basically just secure it in there. So let's see which one of these is going to work the best as I attach to this before I mount into the Jeep. This is what we're replacing. Get out of here. Oh, balls. Honestly, this thing worked pretty good. But it did wiggle around a lot, so let's do this one. As you can see, so I've already pulled the insert out. This thing literally just sits right there. Moves around a little bit, but it's pretty nice, I think. So actually, I think this is gonna be easier if I just pop this center console trim piece out and install it on my workbench. So well, maybe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we have full access. Let's go line it up straight. GoPro battery died on me mid-film. What I was trying to say, you can see how there's grooves. See how it's farther down here, and then it comes up, down, up, down, up. Well, there's enough space between where that groove is and where it meets my OEM console here that I was able to put that self-tapper right in there where the groove is up. And you'll see the only screws coming down through it is the actual Daystar. So that's pretty cool. Basically, I was able to mount that, and yeah, it doesn't go all the way through, so it's just being held on by this. I like that. Let's keep screwing. So basically, I'm just gonna put in the other 4 or the other 3. Really all there is to it, people. I'm really happy with how this is working out. For not having a plan at the beginning, this is gonna work. That thing's pretty solid. I don't think it's going anywhere. Just make sure these are, I mean, they're perfect. It's nice and tight. The cool thing is, if for some reason I ever want to get rid of this, pull all this out, you know, I pulled this out, put this right back in, you'll never know there's holes in there. So, for some reason I don't like it, pull it out, think of something else, but I think it sets up perfect. And that's the other thing, if for some reason these self-tappers come loose for whatever reason, you know, I've got what came with the kit. I save all this, so I can always secure it down better. This kit even came with a little screwdriver. It's all in the details. Let's put it back in the Jeep.